Hello everyone, welcome you all in this today's lecture on special forming processes. So today's topic of our lecture is microforming and laser bending process. So first of all we will discuss about the microforming process. A microforming is a well suited technology to manufacture a very small metallic parts such as connector pins, contact springs, IC pockets, etc. Microsheet metal forming process are bending, deep drawing and stretch forming. So these are the microforming processes. In microforming, the material behavior is influenced by size effects that occur when scaling down a process from conventional size to the micro scale. The flow stress, anisotropy, ductility, and the forming limit depends upon the specimen size and the microstructure, which has to be considered when designing a microforming process. So, these are the quantity that considered when designing the microforming processes. Now, so what are the parameter which is affect on the microforming processes? So, first parameter is material, second parameter is process, third parameter is tool, and fourth parameter is machines and equipment. So, first of all, we will discuss about the materials, which is flow stress, ductility, anisotropy, forming limit, and material flow. So, this is all about the materials parameter. Now second parameter is process parameter, means which process will be followed. That is the forming process, part accuracy, spring back effect and tribology. So these are the processes which is affect on the microforming process. Third parameter is tool, which is include tool materials and tool accuracy. That means which type of tool which is used for the microforming processes. So this parameter which is affect. And last parameter is machines and equipment, that is automations, drives or etc. So these are the parameter which is affect on the microforming process. So guys, figure number 1, see the industrial micro parts. First diagram shows the bulk microform parts and second diagram shows the sheet metal micro parts with micro feature. So these are the parts which is made up of microforming process. Okay, so this is all about the microforming process. Now next is the laser bending. Laser bending is a process wherein a laser beam is used as a forming tool for micro bending. Okay, so laser bending is a process which is used for curvature of that sheet metal or plates. The material to be formed by laser bending is generally coated with graphite, oxide or carbon black layer to improve the material's absorptivity. The most important variables of the process are the energy absorbed per unit length, means how much energy which is absorbed per unit length. This is the most important variable into the laser bending process. The configuration of the heating source and the treatment sequence. So these are the important parameters during laser bending. In industrial applications, CO2 and solid state lasers which belong to infrared lights are widely used. So this is the laser bending process which is used to bending process. Now the diagram shows the laser bending process. An experimental system of laser microbending as shown in figure, which is consist of laser system, clamper, monitor system like CCD camera and computer. So these are the experimental setup of laser microbending process. Now also see the experimental setup for sheet metal bending as shown in the figure. So development of temperature gradient. So the materials are formed due to the development of temperature gradient through the material thickness, which induces stresses due to the differential expansion of adjacent layer that are the different temperature. So see the diagram, there is the container or water container where the specimen which is injected at the water, and there is specimen holder. This specimen holder hold a specimen into the container, and container which is fulfilled with water as shown in the figure. When these laser beams which is comes out from this laser and which is impinges at the specimen surface, so at that time the temperature gradient developed at the specimen surface through the material thickness, and due to that temperature gradient stresses induces, okay, and we get the thermal or differential expansion of the adjacent layer that are the different temperature. Means these laser beams which is focused on the specimen surface, right, then stresses are induces and development of temperature gradient, and due to this the materials are deformed, means materials are bent. Okay, so this is the process of laser bending. High coefficient of thermal expansion, material deforms significantly when laser heated. Okay guys, so the materials having high coefficient of thermal expansion such as stainless steel material, light alloys of aluminum, magnesium, titanium, these material deform significantly when laser is heated. Okay. Now third point is sheet metals deform in controlled manner. So see this experiment setup which is setup for sheet metal building. These sheet metals which is deformed in a controlled manner by tracking the laser beam at the one side of the material. If you see the diagram, the laser beam which is tracking at the one side of the material and sheet metal get deformed. Okay, so this is all about the laser bending process. Now what are the advantages of laser bending process? The laser bending is a flexible, contactless and non-external force forming process. The second advantage is the laser microbending process, bending having the excellent characteristics of the laser has been applied in precise adjustment of micro components. So these are the advantages of the laser bending process. Now what are the limitations? Process accuracy largely depend upon the reflectivity of the forming material to low frequency infrared laser. So this is the limitations of the laser bending process. So guys, this is all about the laser bending process. This laser bending process which is also called as the micro bending process. Okay. So do you have any questions regarding microforming process or the micro bending or laser bending process, you can drop the message on our WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.